Hi, welcome back to Housepiration. As we transition from the cold winter months to the vibrant season of renewal, it's time to infuse our homes with freshness and color. Say goodbye to the winter blues and hello to a revitalized space with these charming and affordable decor ideas. Farmhouse spring porch decor. Use natural elements like wooden crates, potted plants, and signage with an antique feel to create a warm and inviting entryway. Spring front door wreath. To welcome guests with a touch of seasonal charm, hang a gorgeous wreath covered with vivid springtime flowers and leaves. Easter spring front door decor. Decorate your entryway with Easter-themed accents like painted eggs, pastel-colored ribbons, and figurines of bunnies. Mason jars in pastel. Paint basic mason jars in gentle pastel colors. Then top them up with fresh flowers or tea lights to create charming vases or candlesticks. Easter tier tray for spring. Create a whimsical display by layering small nests, ceramic rabbits, and colorful eggs on a tiered tray with Easter-themed decor. Bunny pillow. Add a sweet and adorable accent to your living room or bedroom with these darling throw pillows with pastel bunny themes. Farmhouse spring bedroom decor. Use warm linens, flowery bedding, and organic elements like woven baskets or wooden signs to add a touch of springtime charm to your bedroom. Use porcelain rain boots as unusual planters for succulents, herbs, or spring flowers to bring a whimsical touch to any indoor or outdoor area. This is known as the ceramic hunter rain boot decor. Spring Easter front porch decor. Dress up your porch for Easter with garlands, wreaths, and potted plants placed in brightly colored containers. Easter bunny wood yard sign. Greet guests with a sweet wooden yard sign that has pastel-colored embellishments and an Easter bunny pattern. Rae-Dunn coffee mug spring decor. For a chic and useful accent, place spring-themed Rae-Dunn coffee cups on open shelves or kitchen counters. wooden Easter bunnies. For a charming yet rustic accent, place handcrafted wooden rabbit figurines in a variety of sizes and positions on your mantle or tabletops. Rustic spring tiered tray. Set up a tiered tray with galvanized metal, worn wood, and ceramic embellishments that are loaded with foliage and flowers for spring. Kissing Bunnies table centerpiece. For a lovely springtime setting, arrange porcelain kissing bunnies in a garland of rich foliage or fresh flowers. Nordic-style garden bunnies. For a minimalist yet whimsical touch, incorporate ceramic or resin garden bunnies with a Scandinavian influence into your indoor or outdoor decor. Decorating for spring doesn't have to break the bank. By repurposing items you already own and investing in quality decor pieces that can be used year after year, you can achieve a fresh and inviting look without overspending. We hope these ideas have inspired you to embrace the beauty of the season and infuse your home with springtime charm. Happy decorating!